Testing, testing. You want me to start? We live in Twisp, Washington, and we've been coming here since the inception, since it first started. We built this car back in the 90s, and we have a little garage out in the back of our place, and I work on the cars there. And it's kind of what I do. I'm retired now. I started the Napa Auto Parts store in Twisp in 1976, her and I did. And since then we're retired, and that's why we just mess with the cars.
My name is Wes Everson. I live in Maple Valley. It's my first time in the Winthrop car show. We came last year and realized there was a car show, so we came back this year specifically for the show. The car is modified, so there's nothing stock about the car. I run a machine shop, so I build engines, so I built the engine that's in this car myself. It's a big block Chevrolet. It has a Ford 9-inch narrowed rear end with a positive traction unit with a mini tub under it.
This was strictly a hobby. The wife and I were in the office supply business for 35 years, and when we retired to Arizona, I needed something to keep me busy, and I tore her honey-do list up and went to work building this car. This is a replica build of a 1905 Rio. It's a set of plans that's available on the internet, and every red part that you see here is something that I manufactured out of wood. All the metal parts, other than the springs and the wheels, I made. It's powered by a 20-horse Briggs & Stratton engine and a hydrostatic transaxle to a Model T differential that's converted from a drive shaft drive to a chain drive. Other than that, in 2 years of pretty continuous work, and it's finally ready and drivable.
My name is J.C. Parker. My wife Lori and I have this car. We're from Falls City, Washington. We've owned the car for about 3 or 4 months. Red interior. A buddy of mine gave me a model of a car that's sitting on the seat there. It's sitting right there on the seat. The motor here is the 348 motor. This year, there were 2 different options. You could get the 283 or the 348, and this guy put the 348 in it. And I'm not sure if it's the original motor, but it does all pretty much look original. Rally Sport wheels. It's kind of I don't know, it's not stock, but I think they're pretty cool. I was gonna put mag wheels on it, but then the more I looked at it, the more these kind of grew on me. So I'm not gonna change them. I'm gonna leave them. I think they look good.
And the winner is Fall City, Washington, 59 Chevy IMPALA. Car number 73, 1905 Rio. Arizona.
Right here. Smile, girls.
All right, squeeze together.
Yeah. You got some wavy too there. Gosh, that's great.
So, People's Choice Award, you people voted for it. People in the show, the people who watch the show, the people who walk through. That is white Turkey Sweet 1948 Black Buick right here. Hey, swing around, let's get him to get a picture.
He's got the big camera.
Yeah, he's got the good camera, huh? All right, congratulations. There you go. The winner is brand new 28 Ford AR Sport Coupe. Oh, there she is. All right. Here. Let's take a look here. In case you folks don't know, that's that little blue Model A. He's right.